Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials by David. Today we'll be having a quick how to fix your EAFC26 which has a input delay or controller lag. If you're struggling with input delay or controller lag in EAFC26, then the 2026 method can help you get back to gameplay smoothly. So there are a lot of reports that they have input lag after the new update on PC. So what you want to do is start ensuring your controller firmware is updated and properly needed or connected, whether wired or wireless, as unstable networks or connections are a major cause of lag. Next, tweak your in-game settings like lower the graphics, reduce system strain, disable VSync, and set the frame rate to match your monitor's refresh rate. So if you're on PC, you wanna enable your low latency mode in your GPU settings or updating drivers can put input lag. After that, for console players, make sure your system software is updated, and if using Bluetooth controller, try a wired connection to minimize the delay. So yeah, those are like some key configurations on how to um disable the delay on your EAFC26.